Why continue to suffer with your speech? What I want to do in this video is to share with you 3 reasons why people struggle and continue to suffer with their speech. And then we're going to create 3 shorter videos where we go into a little more detail about those reasons. But first, in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the consequences of just continuing to go through life suffering and struggling with your speech. So one consequence is that you lose and miss out on opportunities, on financial opportunities, on career opportunities. You don't interview for jobs that you'd really like to have. I know I changed my major because of my speech. So, that's going to require me to speak a lot. So I'm not going to do, oh, this job's going to require me to do this and I can't do. So we literally avoid opportunities that require us to speak more. Another consequence of just continuing to struggle is you miss out on a relationship and social opportunities. I know there are many of you out there watching this who you want to go talk to this person. You want to speak up in a meeting. You want to speak up in a social environment. And you don't. You don't because of your speech. You're afraid that you might get stuck, or so you're quiet when you really want to be more outgoing. So you suffer and you struggle relationship-wise, interpersonally and socially. And then finally, another reason is that you simply are living a quality of life far below what you could. You have so much more potential, so much more to give, but you're not because of your speech. So let me give you the 3 major reasons, and then once again, we're going to create 3 shorter videos that go into a little more detail. 3 major reasons. Don't want you to feel bad about this. I have used these reasons before. We all do. It's really kind of human nature. First reason is fear. Fear. So we'll talk about the 3 or 4 major fears, the 3 or 4 major questions that we ask ourselves that constitutes fear. The second is money. And the third is time. Okay. So we're going to dig into those a little bit deeper in the following 3 short videos. So I want to see you there. Thank you so much. My name is Michael Williams. I look forward to seeing you soon.